Afternoon to all. I'm Zhang Yinghui and my partner is Muhammad Faris. Today we are going to talk about the process flow diagram and plan layout. And this is the step 5 of the HACCP plan, which is to construct the process flow diagram and plan layout. So now the product we chosen for the HACCP plan is Dade. So now I'm going to talk about the process flow diagram. The raw materials for processing the dade are raw milk, water, agar-agar powder, white sugar, and the flavoring extract. And the plastic cups and lids are the packaging material for dade. So all of these materials needs to go the inspection process. And if past the inspection process, they can go to the next stage. If not, the manufacturer need to return the materials to the supplier. So for the raw milk, after it passed the inspection, the manufacturers need to pasteurize the milk to kill the bacteria in milk and store in the chill storage. The temperature of chill storage must below the 4 degrees Celsius. And for the agar-agar powder, white sugar, flavoring extract, and the plastic cups and lids, after passing the inspection process, they are stored in the dry storage, and the temperature of dry storage are below 25 degrees Celsius. After that, the raw milk, agar-agar powder, white sugar, flavoring extract, and water needs undergo the weighing process. And then the raw milk, white sugar, agar-agar powder are going to be mixed with the water and stir. And the mixture are going to be boiled. After the boiling process, we mix the flavoring extract with the boil mixture. After that, we let the dade for cooling for a while. After cooling process, the dade needs to undergo the inspection process. If feel the need the dade needs to be reworked. If after passing the inspection stage and check the quality of the dade, the packaging process is going to be done. After that, there is another inspection process to the package dade. If feel like the weight of the dade is not standard, the dade are going to be repackaged again. And if passed, the dade will be stored in the finished goods storage. And the temperature of the finished goods storage must be below 4 degrees Celsius. And the last stage of manufacturing the dade is dispatching the dade to the next customer. Now I will pass to my partner Faris to talk about the plant layout.
Alright, today I would like to explain about plan layout of this is Dade Susu Lembu Berperisa Marisa Company layout. As we can see, the area are well organized. First, we take a look at the processing line. First is the first is incoming goods, which serve as the company receive goods, which is raw materials from suppliers, and then straight go. And next is raw material store, which is to store the raw material before it is used in the day production. Then the next is work preparation. Work preparation is a place where production where to prepare before making dade. Then the next is dade projection. As we can see, this is the where the production begins. Next is the packaging. When the dade has been made, it is packaging. And as you can see, below the packaging area is packaging store, which is the company buy packaging materials from suppliers and then store in the packaging store to use in packaging the dade. Then after packaging the dade, the dade will transfer to the chiller, finished goods stores, next to the packaging room to store the dade in order to longer the shelf life of the dade before it is distributed to outside. Then the next to the chiller room is dispatch, which is where the finished goods of the dade will be distributed to all retailers and stores by lorries. Then, as we can see, it is a well-organized processing line, and we can see also the. But there's one problem. As we can see there, it's a waste. Waste area is near to the processing line. Actually, this is not a good practice. But in order to control the cross contamination of the dade, the company should have a good cleaning and maintenance schedule. But I think the rest are okay. The toilets also are far away from the processing line, which are it is yeah, it is separate between the processing line and the other what do you call that, other area. Yeah, I think basically this is the layout. And next is the step 6, which is in order to after we construct a process flow diagram and plan schematic, the next step is on-site verification of flow diagram and plan schematic, which which means that the draft must be verified by on inspection for accuracy and completeness. This is to ensure the major processes are identified. So I think that's all from us. Thank you for listening.